A meeting of the Garo Students' Unions was held today, the 14th of May 2022, at the District Council to remind the government of their demands for the codification of the Garo Customary Law, a separate electoral roll and monthly salary of employees of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. The new CM of GHADC, Shri Albinius Marak, present at the meeting, has assured that within the months of June and July to pass the Garo customary law and to pay the salaries of the workers in the council. Tingsak added they will fight for the people, not for the politicians. Therefore, he requested the support and cooperation of the public to fulfill this aim.
Anjing gemukan kumuaha, anjing separate electoral codification Garo Customary takut kangku gen nemang, yang GSU ni jaku GSU don thongjawa takut ken makna nengen. Dah yako, yang zonal gemuk ni GSU donga, ni beta zonal ni mana badeba zonal ni mana menjajok GSU zonal lang, mainam kawani gemen, sal somai namjani sokpa tukja sobarang de, ni je donggo ba, wan absan tom emang ba, cenga meeting kah zonal meeting GSU meeting kami ba ya daw takik nam go bako ra do thane meng mungsong bate de separate electoral roll codification Garo customary law de meng de council ni salary ko jafra ko nani ko aro mai bako NGA ni president gacham ko tharmine khak bako ra do khal ngo changa daw CM baksa arbinus baksa changa golfoi mo khat ba ha daw separate electoral ko kan gen mo de bisong kam kagenna separate ko berado genna daw isi meetingo ramar adojan ba khatam khatenga ini berado gen ko ba isi meetingo daw bisong koglok sisko kolkrango isi meeting genna uno separate ko rado genna no rado emang ye separate ko adida discussion dong ha maina CM ba chakke naganinga nangare nangchumata ikode maina gepenjat chakatna ko nosto khasuna de ya Garo customary law meng separate electoral nang chumut ko ba khatam mansenga kudu bichakenga ne ninga biaba nemang Garo customary law kode raga thelgonokna daw isi meetingo daw ibang isi meetingo nemang mai bako iko pass kana de maina gni pa thambong planning mun pass kana ngachim 60-70% khamong ha daw no meeting bisong committee form kai mang jaman si nokmarangna NGO rangna committee form ka thai mang gemekok ngam memang ba meeting ka thai mang final decision rai mang ba Garo customer ko anjing pas kanahan ko biya kumongat tenga anjing ni chief executive member Arbinus lagi mende mengsak perungjok ya salary disbursement ba salary ko council ni staff rangna onani ko daw khna sonik tede ja khurs ni unthai jok salary mat gijan nemang CM bakso golfora CM ara khadong ko natenga khadong ni natenga mija march mamu ase changa clear ka gumpun clear kana mana salary ko ba jasa jagini mangusenge June ba Julaiyo jagini jagatamniko na joktong kagen ongen ban ya kana tenga mo tenga neman na song bichakbo jingni kamko blongen council ko namda batta tharine banga council tangkarangni kitaba jokki hakba aklok rang banga warang ko changa